Hey, welcome to Vanlife Hustles. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Susie.
We are a married couple from the UK and the US. No, that doesn't sound right, does it? Are we a married couple from the UK and the US?
No, that's not right.
Okay. I won't even mention being married. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hear the seagulls? What do you like, boy? This is catwalking at its finest. Go on, Truffle. Sketchy one. Woo! Woo!
See the noise.
Yeah.
Where's
Look at what he's doing.
Where's Truffles?
Oh, sketchy, sketchy. Sketchy, sketchy. Let me back in the van.
I know, Gizzy. Come here. Should I take her into the grass?
You can try, but she just wants to go back in the van. Permission to come on board?
Yeah. Let the lady come up first and then you can help her because it's quite steep.
Where's the ladder?
There, just there.
Oh, there you go, Susie.
Now it wobbles, you'll be fine, honestly. You can go up.
YouTube, right?
No, it's fine. My missus said she wanted some black PVC and do something dirty. Here I am.
They seem calm enough. Morning all. How's everyone's heads this morning?
We're back on it.
Are you back on it already? You alive, Roger? This is why we have arrived.
Oh my god.
Hello, sailor.
Hello, darling.
Video of our quick trip down to Fareham Marina, please consider giving us a like or a subscribe and help our channel grow. We look forward to seeing you somewhere down the road. Cheers guys!